Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Feed Niki 1 cup of balanced kibble twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening, and adjust portion by weight changes. Give Niki 30 minutes of active exercise each day, walks, play fetch, or indoor games, to maintain a healthy weight and reduce anxiety. Brush Niki's coat gently several times weekly, check ears and eyes, and trim nails carefully when they exceed 3.5 inches in visible length or click on hard surfaces. Always reward calm behavior after grooming. Schedule an annual vet checkup and update vaccinations every year or sooner if your veterinarian advises, keeping records like vaccine dates and any reactions. Use parasite prevention drops or collars and deworming tablets every 3 months or per clinic guidance to prevent fleas, ticks, and intestinal worms. Brush Niki's teeth 3 times weekly with pet toothpaste, check gums for redness or bleeding, and seek dental cleaning if you notice tartar buildup, bad breath, or any loose teeth to avoid systemic health issues. Train Niki using positive reinforcement in short 10-minute sessions multiple times daily. Reward desired behavior with tiny treats, about 1 teaspoon each, and clear, calm commands to reinforce learning. Crate train gradually, associate the crate with naps and comfort, and limit crate stays to sleep or short absences so Niki tolerates alone time without stress. Socialize Niki by exposing them to varied people, pets, and controlled environments during walks and visits to reduce fear, teach leash manners, and encourage polite behavior in diverse situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.